stock to flow. Man, it's been a while since any of us paid attention to stock to flow. But Plan B, still sticking with it. Okay, a lot of people thought that stock to flow has been invalidated because this last time around, this last peak, we didn't hit $100,000. We should have hit $100,000. You could argue if the Fed didn't start talking about rate hikes in November, that we could have. We had one full month for Bitcoin to go higher, right? But then he started talking about rate hikes end of November, and that kind of scared everyone away. So then, everything started coming down in December. But maybe we could have had 100K. But anyways, a lot of people feel like because we didn't have 100K, the stock to flow got invalidated, and also we went pretty low this time around. But you can see we're climbing right back up into that deep blue region, which is really good, right? Generally speaking, that's where Bitcoin hovers. It rarely hovers below that blue region for long periods of time. But this time we did. It's okay. Well, we had a lot of black swan events too, keep in mind. 2022, we had a lot of companies go under. But now we're coming right back up. And this time around, let's see where Bitcoin heads. According to this, Bitcoin could be heading to $1 million by the end of 2025, leading into 2026. Do I think Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million? Probably not by the end of 2025. But, if it happens, awesome. And then we'll know for sure if the stock to flow is still intact. So, but that's where we are right now. What else is there? Here's another one. Awesome. I know you guys love your inverted charts, but, again, a lot of chartists will tell you head and shoulders, one of those patterns, very recognizable, right? And if you look at this, yeah, we definitely have two shoulders and a head and then that neckline, and you know what? We're about to break down. But in this case, what it's representing is we are going to break upwards towards $70,000 towards our high. Somehow, again, you invert a chart, it looks more believable because if we had an inverse head and shoulders, people just don't quite want to believe. They're like, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to break above. Everyone is so hesitant about Bitcoin breaking above, but everyone and their mothers will say, well, it's going to break down, right? Well, let's just invert the chart. This does look like it's going to break down all the way to $70,000. That's what it's looking like.